1. Match the corresponding lock body according to the door opening size, adjust the correct direction of the lock tongue, and install the lock body. 2. Install the door catch. 3. Install the front panel. 4. Screw the link rod screw onto the front panel screw post. 5. Align the square rod with the hole and insert it and fix it with the pin. 6. Pass the front panel cable through the door hole and install the front panel. 7. Install the rear panel. 8. Remove the battery cover on the rear panel and put the spring into the rod hole on the rear panel. 9. Plug in the front and rear panel cables and install the rear panel. 10. Adjust the screws on the front and rear panels to fix the panels. #11. Installation completed. Unlock test.